11 must-know tips to master ChatGPT like a pro. Beginners welcome. Hello there. If you're reading this, chances are you've heard of ChatGPT and its growing popularity. Whether you're a business professional, a parent, or simply someone curious about AI, ChatGPT offers a wealth of possibilities. Today I want to share with you 11 beginner-friendly tips to unlock the power of ChatGPT. These tips range from business strategies to fun activities with kids, and even professional applications. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this incredible tool. Importance of ChatGPT. Before we get into the tips, let's talk about why ChatGPT is so versatile and powerful. This AI language model can perform a wide range of tasks, from generating content to simplifying complex topics. The more you understand how to use it effectively, the more you'll realize its potential to make your life easier and more productive. So let's get started with our first set of tips focused on business strategy. Business strategy. Idea generation. One of the first ways I started using ChatGPT was for brainstorming business ideas. Imagine having a creative partner available 24/7 who never gets tired. By asking ChatGPT for market analysis or competitor research, I could generate fresh ideas and strategies that I hadn't considered before. For instance, when I was looking into launching a new product, ChatGPT provided insights into market trends and potential competitors, which helped me refine my business plan. Content creation. Another area where ChatGPT excels is in content creation. Whether you need marketing copy or social media posts, this AI can help you craft engaging content tailored to your audience. I've used it to generate blog post ideas, write compelling product descriptions, and even create catchy social media captions. The best part, it saves me a ton of time and effort while ensuring that my content remains engaging and relevant. Teaching and learning. Creating analogies. Teaching complex concepts can be challenging, but ChatGPT makes it easier by creating analogies that simplify tough topics. I've used this feature to explain difficult subjects in a way that's easy to understand. For example, when learning about blockchain technology, I asked ChatGPT to create an analogy comparing it to a digital ledger that everyone can see but no one can alter. This made the concept much more accessible and relatable. Simplifying complex topics. Beyond analogies, ChatGPT can also break down complex topics into simple explanations. Whether you're trying to learn something new yourself or teach others, this feature is incredibly useful. I've often found myself using ChatGPT to get straightforward explanations for complicated subjects like quantum physics or machine learning algorithms. It's like having an expert at your fingertips who can explain anything in layman's terms. Family and personal use. Using ChatGPT with kids. ChatGPT isn't just for adults. It's great for kids too. Engaging children with fun and educational questions can foster curiosity and learning through interactive conversations. My kids love asking ChatGPT about dinosaurs, space, and even math problems. It's amazing to see how this AI can make learning fun and interactive for them. Custom recipe generation. One of my favorite personal uses for ChatGPT is custom recipe generation. By inputting the ingredients I have on hand along with any dietary preferences, I can get creative recipe ideas in seconds. This has been especially handy when I'm short on time or ingredients, but still want to prepare something delicious and healthy for my family. Professional applications. Reviewing legal documents. In my professional life, I've found ChatGPT invaluable for reviewing legal documents. While it's no substitute for a lawyer, it can summarize or clarify complex legal jargon, making it easier for me to understand what I'm dealing with before consulting a professional. This initial review has saved me both time and money. Debugging code. If you're into coding like I am, you'll appreciate ChatGPT's ability to help with debugging code. Simply paste snippets of code into the chat and ask it to identify errors or bugs. You can also request explanations for coding issues and solutions. This has been a game changer for me when tackling tricky coding problems. Enhancing communication. Object identification. Another fascinating feature is object identification. Describe an object to ChatGPT, and it will identify it and provide details about it. This has practical applications ranging from shopping research to academic projects. For example, when I needed information about a specific type of plant for my garden, ChatGPT provided detailed insights that were incredibly helpful. Follow-up prompts. Effective communication often requires follow-up questions to dig deeper into a topic. Learning how to use follow-up prompts effectively can enhance your interactions with ChatGPT significantly. By refining your questions based on initial answers, you can get more detailed and accurate responses. This iterative process has helped me improve the quality of information I receive from ChatGPT. Visualization and sharing. Creating graphs and charts. Visualizing data is crucial for reports or presentations, and ChatGPT can help with that too. By inputting data sets and requesting graph or chart generation, you can create clear visual representations of information. I've used this feature extensively for business reports and academic presentations. Chat sharing. Lastly, one of the most collaborative features is chat sharing. You can share chat transcripts with colleagues or friends for collaboration or feedback. This has been particularly useful in group settings, where shared chats serve as learning tools or brainstorming sessions. Conclusion. To summarize, we've covered 11 beginner-friendly tips that showcase the versatility of ChatGPT. Idea generation, content creation, creating analogies, simplifying complex topics, using ChatGPT with kids, custom recipe generation, reviewing legal documents, debugging code, object identification, follow-up prompts, creating graphs and charts, chat sharing. These tips are just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Final thoughts and caution. While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, it's essential to be cautious when sharing sensitive information with it. Always remember that AI retains information provided during interactions, so avoid sharing unpublished or confidential data. I encourage you to try out these tips yourself and see how they can benefit you in various aspects of your life. Feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're unlocking the power of ChatGPT. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you know someone who would love this video, go ahead and share it with them. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating more awesome videos for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.